it have to continue because Rastafari is alive and well. And what a lot of people have to know, I mean, I make sure looking at the camera and people can see my eye. Me watch Bob Marley and Dennis Brown, and when me hear them man define reggae music or Rastafari music, regardless of who want coming out now and who want do them I do, but reggae music is Rastafari music. And as long as Rastafari is alive and well, which he is, as long as you have the Rastafari community, there will always be positive music coming out of Jamaica. No matter, you know, the battle always there, you know, because Jamaica internationally is known for free Mandela and help with the apartheid with Peter Touch and enough of the greats. So it still have the essence, but sometimes I and I will do it, not me alone, but many others. We just need some more highlighting. Don't forget, people know. They're the man. Reggae music always they're the man with the positive message. Definitely.
Reggae interviews. Word sound power.